Hey guys, we're back. Sorry about that. We had to reset a rate limit issue with Tradeovate, but now we're good to go. And let's continue trading. We are in this downward move on the 800 at the moment. I might see if I can get a short here at the EMA. Back for a continuation move down. Okay, too late for that move. $600 might be the next area of interest that we're going to be taking a look at. Okay, let's see how we behave around 600. We'll put a limit order here. See if it wants to bounce back up. So it's looking more bearish than bullish. Yep, there it is. Stop loss. Keep going down then at this point. Okay, we'll take some profits off here. Okay, we have a runner now. Okay, our runner moves down. Probably looking to go test VWAP underneath. So we're imagining where the sellers are trying to go. Okay, runner moves down some more. We are at VWAP, so I potentially could see a bounce here. Okay. So let's zoom in a little bit here. We get a better image. Okay, our runner is out. This is a bullish signal now. We will add at the VWAP if it wants to come down there. Okay. We got our add. This doesn't see if we can get a hold from the buyers here. Doesn't look like it. All right, that's a stop loss. Sucks. Go ahead and short this now. Looks like I might be getting chopped up here. Which stinks. Maybe it does come down. Okay, here we go. All right, we have a runner. Can see if we can continue flushing here. Would be great. All right, runner's out. I got back in bearish because we're still not quite done with this move. Okay, we got 1 off of 10. couldn't get the rest off. We'll put another sell order there at the at VWAP again, see if we can come back down. It got me on my other accounts, just didn't get me on this one. Let's just go ahead and flatten everything. I like this continuation going back lower. And if we don't get it, it's okay. I do like us being bearish. Okay, we got some off. All right, we have a runner now. I will add to this going down. Okay. Decrease 1. All right, we got some off there. Okay, we are at 500. We could see a bounce here. Or, I love this flush. Just keep going since I have a runner. But, alright, well, there's that bounce. So maybe the runner might get stopped out. We'll see. Anything is possible. Yeah, we're getting a little bit more bullish momentum down here at 500. I will keep the runner stop loss where it's at. All right, there it is. Okay. So at this point, we are bullish. All right, we technically already hit the target on the upside, so let's just wait to see if we can get a better opportunity here. Okay, this is looking a little bit more bearish if we can get a close below 500. If we don't, then I'm going to buy it. All right, we're buying it. Can we get that bounce for at least 10 points here? Yep, there it is. Got one off of 15. We got a runner now. We got two trend lines now. See if we can get through this EMA, continue going higher, retest VWAP. All right, my runner's out. Not bad, not bad. EMA is an issue at the moment. I will not be taking a 500 bounce again with this big bearish candle. Just gonna wait and see what price is gonna do around this level. See, this is a different look. This is a bearish look. And I missed it. That sucks. It's okay. It happens. If we can break this trend line, we might be getting another bearish signal go lower. Break and close below the trend line, that is. It's like it closed above it, I think. Or did it? It's like right on the line. If it wants to come down, break both of these wicks, we'll take it bearish. But I think there's bulls that are stepping in here. Yep, we're going to go ahead and cancel that order. Question is, what are we doing at 500? Are we going to get a hold, or are we going to get a move back down? So far, it looks like it's a move up. We will move our stop loss down here and add at 500. See if we can get a continuation up. Retest at least golden ruler. Okay, we got those 10 points. We got a runner now. Golden ruler is acting as a resistance. Okay, golden ruler moves down. All right, my runner's out. See how this candle behaves. I like it. I like it for a buy. Okay. And then we'll add at 500. I try to go live, Jeremy, between 9:20, which is 10 minutes before market opens, till about 11:30, maybe lunchtime. Depends on the price action. But yeah, I go live 10 minutes before market opens, and I try to take my first trade maybe a few minutes after market opens if an opportunity presents itself. So yeah, 9:30 to 11:30. That way it gives you a chance to go to Mark's room as well. And you can then you can go to mine for an hour, and then you can go back to his other room at 11. So it gives you an opportunity to visit both rooms. We got this nice runner still running. Let's see if this downward trend line is going to act as resistance, or if we break through it and retest VWAP overhead at 543-ish. Okay, our runner's been taken out. Okay. I like this bullish candle. We'll take it. I'm not like 100% happy about it because we're still below that EMA, but we are in a bullish trend. And I will add at 500, so I'm going to give this a little bit more wiggle room, like to 89. Because I feel like we still want to go up and retest VWAP overhead. We haven't done that. We were close. Okay, we're in at 500. I will be a lot stickier with my first target here because I'm gonna go ahead and move it to break even. And this may take me out here, and that's okay. I wanted to look for a better entry point, reset this trade, see where we're at. Because right now we're kind of in this weird zone underneath that EMA. If we can get a breakout candle right here above the EMA, we can take it bullish. But I really want to see it close above that EMA. There we go. Something like that. Something like that. Okay, we're in. I will put my stop loss below 500. And if I'm wrong, I am okay being wrong. This is looking very bearish now. I don't like how much we had to go down on that trade. The drawdown, I should say. I might just I was trying to see if I could get out up there. Yeah, back to break even because I just don't like where this trade is going. At this point, I'm okay. I'm gonna minimize my loss here if we go below this level. I would prefer for us to get the bounce. If buyers are really gonna step in, they got to do it right now. Like right here. Yep, and they didn't, so got to get out. Which means we're gonna sell. I could be wrong, but it is a sticky area, so and then we'll add if we get more bearish confirmation. But right now it's looking like 500 wants to hold. Okay, there we go. There's that bearish confirmation I was talking about. We will put the stop loss above the EMA. Above this inverted hammer here. Doesn't look like we're getting the moves that I'm expecting. That stinks. Okay. At this point, this is very bullish, so we'll add here, we'll add here. I went ahead and I added increase. We'll move this to here. Move that to here. Yeah, price action's not behaving the way I thought it was going to be behaving. And my NinjaTrader is frozen. That's not good. Why is my NinjaTrader frozen? think we took a stop loss on that, but I can't even tell. Excuse me. I might have to restart my NinZaTrader, guys. It's completely frozen. 1 second. Okay, let's fix let's fix that image. And it looks like we got some work to do. Looks like we're getting a breakout to the upside, which I don't want to see here. We're still in this bearish move. Okay, I just added here to the downside. Oh, I got that stupid rate limit order thing again. Ugh, this is so annoying. If you guys don't know what that is, Trade of 8 limits your... It limits the amount of data that can go through. I'm only trading 3 accounts, and for some reason I'm hitting a data limit on those accounts. And it's not allowing me to really move my stop loss or my take profit targets. And it's caused me to... It's caused a lot of headache today. I'll just put it that way. And it's caused a lot of trades to not work. All right, I'm going to have to reset the... I'm going to have to call Trade of 8 again. This is getting kind of ridiculous. I will be back hopefully either later on today or tomorrow, but I'm not able to trade my accounts right now. They're kind of locked up for some reason with the rate limit issue. But we'll be back tomorrow, and we'll talk to you guys then. God bless you.